Are you looking for the best fuel pressure testers? In this video, we will break down the top 3 fuel pressure testers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1, OTC 5609 Cylinder Leakage Tester Kit. The dual 2-1/2 gauges read 0 to 100 psi and 0 to 700 kilopascals and feature chrome bezels and rugged protective outer boots. This quick-fix drug test kit features a pressure-regulated manifold with quick couplers, 24 inches long, 14 mm flex hose, and 10 mm, 12 mm, and 18 mm thread adapters. For a simple repair or the most complex drivability concern, these award-winning Balboa Quick Check Test Kits universally solve problems faster, and at better value. Whether it's a specialty tool or unique piece of service equipment, OTC provides top solutions to modern automotive service challenges while increasing technician productivity and shop profits. Rugged, blow-molded storage case with a removable lid keeps components organized and protected when not in use. Includes a detailed instruction chart. Value is at the core of this OTC 5609 cylinder leak-down tester and equipment portfolio. At number 2. Actron CP7838 Professional Fuel Pressure Tester. This tester is a fuel injection system. It does not matter whether the engine is on or off, it can measure the fuel pressure accurately and speedily. The hose is 6 feet long, and hence, you can reach out to any testing point conveniently. It comes with a handy pouch for storing all the accessories and carrying it from places to places. Moreover, the adapters are provided to fit in most of the vehicles possible whether it is domestic or imported. The gauge meter is large, and it has dual calibrations from 0 to 100 psi as well as 0 to 700 psi. All the components are tailor-made for heavy-duty usage, and there is a relief button to dispose of gasoline safely. At number 3. OTC 5630 Fuel Pressure Test Kit. This test kit comes at an affordable price on the internet and provides you with accurate readings. It also features a wide scale, which makes it easy to see the readings. It has a solid brass fitting with a sturdy housing that makes it a dependable and long-lasting product. This unit comes with a great pressure relief valve that supports safe and clean testing. The good thing is you will not need to remove it from the car, and it is resistant to any impact. It is very lightweight so you can carry it around and use it without any issues.